Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create the custom cache tag or in the cache management system how you can add a full column of the cache custom cache type in Magento 2. So let's start the tutorial. So how it gonna be work and how you are going to create this cache system for for better performance of your any kind of code that you are writing, whether it is API or something like. So we are going to learn in this how we are going to create that. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So here you can click on that and enable this cache system by submitting it, right? So cache system is enabled, right? So let's check out how we are going to create it. Go to my code, that is cache type. First of all, you need to create etc cache.xml and module.xml. Cache.xml, you need to define the cache type would be the, you need to define where you want to take the cached model. This is the model one, right? And label and the description that we are already added in over here. So this is label and the description, and this is the cache type. So you can see that every type has this, so I have put my type, right? Next we have the helper class. So first of all, check the model because we have defined the model cache, Rajnikant cache. So here the logic is type identifier we have mentioned and cache tag we have mentioned, right? After this, we have to go with the helper where we have put all the logic. So here this is the file. So here this is class and which is a helper extract helper. So this is the cache tag, cache ID and what the life. So here that is the get ID function and load cache by ID and save that cache by ID. So so this is basic basic structurings and how we are going to create the cache system in the Magento 2. Okay, by doing this one, like doing this state, you will able to get this cache, the cache one, and you can save it, or whenever you want to store anything in this cache ID you can store it, and it will just create the cache, and whenever you want to try to flush it you will take a look over it and you can flush it. So you can see one custom cache is added to your cache system if you go and check with the terminal. And if you here type sudo php bin into cache flush, you will see my cache is also there, right? So this is how we can create a custom cache tag in Magento 2 easily, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment. If you have any issue, just write in the comment box. Have a great day.